behaves like inspires many, like ma'am said. So my question is like, what is the one suggestion that you'd like to give to the people who wants to come into the film industry or upcoming actors?
Don't listen to anybody's advice like people like me. Don't ever listen, because you have to, because like earlier I used to say it in all my interviews, how everybody's that fingerprint is different, eye print is different, the same way the way of approaching is different. So you can't copy or you can't take it from anybody, but you can inspire from the people, from the films they made. So try to understand, don't get influenced by the influences. Okay, so you have your own opinion. Let it be bad, let it be wrong. Accept yourself, accept yourself to do wrong things. Don't try to do right things, because when you don't know what is right, what is wrong. Even now, after did more than 50 films, even I don't know which is. Every time we make films, we give it to audience. Sometimes we get very good response, so we get confidence. Some we get very bad review, very bad response. We can learn something from that also. So nobody can say which is right, which is wrong. So you have your own opinion. Don't say that this YouTuber is or this critics is saying this, so this film is only like this. Yeah. No. If he is like this, if the critics like the film and you don't like the film, means you don't like the film. Mm-hmm. Fix it like that. And if you don't like the film and if you like the film, you like the film. And if you want to become an actor, don't become a fan for anybody. Oh. If you become a fan for anybody, then you won't analyze that actor how he did in that film. You just wanted to praise that actor. Don't do that. So there are good films, good actors, good characters. They may be very great directors, but doesn't mean all the great directors made great films. But there are great films. Watch great films, learn from great filmmakers, understand in your perspective, not anybody else's perspective. That's all. But don't listen to me also. Don't.
Again, it's
raise question on my perspective also. What is Vijay Sethupathi saying? Whether he is saying right or wrong, have question everything, analyze everything. Okay, and then observe your life, because everybody's life is connected. That's why we make one film. Yeah. And it connects everybody, which means everybody's life is connected. True. So try to analyze your life, and you are the greatest person. You believe that. That's all.
Yeah, thank you. Congratulations on your 50th film, sir.
I look very handsome, man. Are you going to be an actor?
Vijay garu.
You look handsome.
విజయ్ మీ సౌత్ ఇండియాలో మీ ప్రస్తావన ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా సరే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద కాస్ట్లీయెస్ట్ యాక్టర్ అని చెప్తుంటారు.